Looking for a cute mechanical keyboard that actually performs? Meet the YUNZII C75, a 75% cake-themed board built for Mac, Windows, mobile, and gaming. It uses a gasket mount, multiple sound-absorbing layers, pre-lubed candy switches, and silicone stabilizers. The result? Smooth, consistent keystrokes and a satisfying creamy thought. Not loud, just premium. Connect any way you want. Bluetooth 5.0, low latency 2.4 gig dongle, or USB-C. Swap between up to 5 devices instantly, and a huge 5500mAh battery keeps you powered for marathon sessions. Customize without fuss. Hot-swappable PCB supports 3 and 5-pin switches, die-sub PBT keycaps, full RGB and programmable software for remaps and macros. No soldering required. Cute enough for a desk flex, tough enough for serious use. If you want a sweet-sounding, highly customizable compact keyboard, check out the YUNZII C75, link in bio.